It's time to announce the winners of the All About Pressure Washing 5.5 gallon per minute soft wash pump giveaway. First of all, I want to let you know how much we appreciate all the support of the channel. And if you're watching and haven't yet subscribed, please do so. Just click the little button right down there, the one that says subscribe, and that way you'll know every time we drop a new video or have another giveaway. So the giveaway this time was for a pretty awesome 5.5 gallon per minute Everflow soft wash pump. By far one of my favorite 12 volt pumps out there. So I'm super pumped to give it away. We also have a couple of Ryobi adjustable nozzles that we use on all of our electric pumps to give away as well. So if you remember the rules to the original giveaway or the original video, you have to leave a comment in that video, and the link is up there if you want to watch, and be a subscriber of All About Pressure Washing in order to win. So I dumped the names of all the folks that commented into a cool little contest winner selector at commentpicker.com. And here are the results. The first Ryobi adjustable nozzle is going to Ben Long. Congrats. The second is going to S. Lawrence. Congrats to both of you guys, and thanks for watching and subscribing. I hope you like these as much as we do. If nothing else, just another weapon to add to your cleaning arsenal. I definitely need you guys to please email me. There's a link or my email address below, so I have your contact information so I can get these things shipped out to you. All right, guys, so we've made a couple videos that should help the winner set up and install this pump pretty easily. From the soft wash build video to the 12 volt pump wiring video, and of course the how to build a proportioner video. All the links of those videos are above and below, and all the links to all the parts you need to everything in the videos, they're also down below, a bunch of links. There's also a link to our metering valve mix ratio chart if you want to download that. And the winner of the big prize, the 12 volt, 5.5 gallon per minute Everflow soft wash pump and roof cleaning pump, is Ryan A. Congrats to Ryan and the other two guys. I really hope that you can all get some good use out of these prizes, hopefully helping you to grow your business and make you a ton of money. Thanks again to everyone who subscribed. We appreciate that so much, and we would love to hear from you. Leave us a comment on any of the videos, watch all of the videos, give us a thumbs up, but most importantly, have a great day.